Tired of unexpected Chrome tabs and mysterious browsing history popping up on your Mac? Today, we're tackling a simple yet powerful trick to lock down your Chrome browser by disabling guest mode on macOS. This stops anyone from hopping onto your Chrome without signing in, boosting your security and keeping your browsing private. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Chrome browser on your Mac. Look to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on the three vertical dots. This opens the Chrome menu. From this drop-down menu, scroll down until you find Settings. Click on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll see a list of categories. Look for and click on the People section. This section manages user profiles and guest browsing. Here, you'll find the guest browsing option. It likely says something like Allow guest browsing. To disable it, simply toggle the switch next to guest browsing. Once you switch that toggle to the off position, guest mode is officially disabled. Now, when someone tries to use Chrome without signing in, they will be prompted to log in with a profile, ensuring all browsing is tied to a specific account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled guest mode in Chrome on your Mac. This quick adjustment gives you more control over who uses your browser and protects your browsing data. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more macOS and Chrome tips.